let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet and we're already out. We also trade offline and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Oh my God. How many times is that going to happen to me? No audio. I think I would learn my lesson by now. Anyways, it is what it is. I keep forgetting to put it on. Okay, didn't miss much. I was just saying good morning. I was saying that you look like you're in a good mood. I'm in a good mood too, but be careful. It looks like it's going to be a really quiet day today. Volume is 177,000. That's pathetic. And if I go to the 1 minute chart, why is that one still there? Goodbye. Average range of 1 minute candles right now is 3.38, which is also pretty pathetic. So it's a half day today. I forgot the name of the holiday. Anybody remember the name of the holiday? Done with that for today. I did 340 on my way to go, man. I'm not muted anymore, am I? Shouldn't be. Let me go check. No, seems good. Seems good. It was awful quiet though. Which leads me to believe that good old Microsoft played with my volume again. So give me a second. Yeah, 39. Wow. Let's bring that up to 80. I don't know how long it'll last. And we'll bring up the gain over here. That seems like a much better level. Sorry for about that. We'll bring up the gain over There we go. Sound check done. You know what? That's part of my process. I'm writing a process so I stop forgetting things. So, sound check and confirm mic. There we go. I'm making too many mistakes. Okay, back to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Okay, so as I was saying, we haven't touched the Asian session lows, and I was going to say that we didn't trade into the previous day's close, Friday's close, but we actually did right at the open. We opened higher and came into it, so we did tap it. What do I see? I see that we're trading above Friday's high. For me, that's always very bullish, and we're right on VWAP. So I'm going to have a bullish bias just based on that. It was okay before. Why mess with it? I hear you. Why mess with it? I don't know. It's going to get adjusted lower by Windows anyways. Hey, I created a new music. Let me change it. Give me a second. I actually created all these songs on my own, believe it or not, with prompts and picking the instruments and I think I did good work. Not too loud because it's distracting. Okay, so we're 15 minute, 30 minutes. We're above pretty much all the levels that I have on my chart. So I would call that blue sky territory. Another reason to be bullish. Daily, another reason to be bullish. 5 minute, I just watch it to see where we are in relation to the London and on the 3 charts here, just see if we got any divergence with NQ and ES on the 5 minute. And we definitely do. The ES is stronger today than NQ is. You're funny with Chip. Yeah, no, why did I play with it? Because it was too low. It was showing that it was, I don't know what these numbers here, but they were coming in really, really low. Anyways, doesn't matter. Let people complain it's too loud, too low. Doesn't matter. There are more important things in life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have my account open that I'm going to trade today, which is MFFU. And the markets are going to open in 2 minutes. I did also wanted to reset my Sims, because that is the results from the overnight automated trading. You know what's going to happen if I edit it. It's going to get rid of all my strategies. Anyways, what can you do? I don't want to be showing those numbers anymore. Some of my strategies stayed. Okay, go back to the 1 minute. And get ready to trade. Markets are opening up in a minute. It's not that big a deal. It's only adjusting the volume, and it was rare to get a good sound guy that wouldn't be tinking with the gain, which would mess our station. Did I mess with anything? Come on, be honest. Did I make anything worse? Let me just get my notebook here. I'll make a note of it. Don't ever touch the sound. Okay, get ready. Long 11 micros, way to go. No, I don't tinker with the sound all the time. You know that. It's just Windows always. Look, I put it to 88. I bet it's been lowered. I have a few seconds left. Device properties. Oh, no, it's still at 87. Strange. Okay, set up my MFFU account. 8:30. One chart. MFFU. Oof. Oh, opening drive. Didn't set that up. So I have time. I have about 30 seconds. Opening drive trader. What are we going to run it on? We'll run it on Sim 101. Line 30. PC period 8. And okay, let's opening drive went short. Let's go short with opening drive, but not for a 10 lot. How about a 2 lot? How am I doing in my 2 lot? I'm up a little bit. I gotta trade more aggressively though. Breaking below Friday's high. Took a little piece off. 252, and it is short at 227. So there's about 30 points risk. Wow, look where we are on the after the first minute. The average range of the 1 minute candles is 7. If you remember what I say, ever you reach 7, like in midday, you shouldn't be trading. What time the market's closed today? 11:30. 12, I'm not sure. Topstep, I think I got an email from Topstep saying 11:30, which I found odd because it's always been later than that. It's been 12. Well, let's form another one. 22, 25. Let's get down to 18. Oh, yeah? Wow. The 1 minute had that high of an ATR? Maybe there was news out of Europe or the Orient. This is the entry point of the opening drive play here at about 27. Let me raise it a little bit more at 28. If it gets up to 28, I'll add to my position. This is actually my position right here. And this is the opening drive. Opening drive is a better entry than me. Which this chart of mine here, the one chart. I'm going to change it again on you guys. The 2-bar reversal. That's what gets marked on the 1 minute chart. And that was a 2-bar reversal of the bearish for value gap. Traded lower quite nicely after that. Oh, you're on 5 minute. Almost. Wow. I don't know the ATRs. I don't follow the ATRs on the 5 minute. I don't know what's normal. Oh, we're dumping. I'm seeing it out of the corner of my eye. Coming up to the previous day's close. I would have covered there. That would have been enough for me. Missed my opportunity. Ah, I have another one. 5 bid. Good enough. Good enough, I guess. See if I can catch a couple more trades. I guess I'm only going to trade my MFFU account.
Tonight, got these demons in me making shit go right. Everyone is fine, I give you flash red hot. Still you coming closer, better give it all you got. Break your hearts became my favorite fucking sport. Leave them begging, leave them crying. Think about what it takes to keep up with me. By tomorrow you'll be just another memory. Watch out since the day that I was born. Raise myself on gasoline and thorns. Need to match this energy I bring. Or get the fuck about my fucking ring. That's the way God made me. No me puedes tomar. I'ma force you to take control.
If you can hear me, what time were you in? I saw that you said hello in the overnight automated session there. What time did you come in? Around midnight? I said it really early. I didn't want to stay up. I think I said it's starting to run at 9 with it only starting to take trades at midnight. Did well in the low volatility environment. I'm surprised. But Dexy is kind of a counter trader. So I guess I'm not surprised that it did well in a low volatility environment. Asia low wicked. Yeah, I should have the Asia low up on the 3 chart view. Not in ES though. Take a look at the difference with ES. Wow. Like I said, ES is a lot stronger today than NQ. NQ is quite a bit weaker. It's so funny. And at the beginning, remember I said how everything was bullish? And so far since we opened, it's been nothing but down. Opening the drive is up 23 points. Let's see if we can get 30. But we're at the previous day's close, so a good likely place for a bounce, definitely. We get lower. There's the 30 points on the opening drive. And we got 2 consecutive closes on the 1 minute chart under the previous day's close, which is the black dash line. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, around 1 my time. Yeah, I was dreaming at that time already.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no puedo crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mami, te siento cansa. My body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me.
No way. 30 micros. Yeah, go for it. I don't have any evals now at the moment. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that is a potential short entry alarm on the 1 minute chart. Trying to get out with a 30-point profit on the opening drive for at least a piece, even though it's trading on sim. It also has some pretty good numbers, so I think I'll be setting that up soon for trading. Small, 1 or 2 lots, but still, I think it can carry an account. It had 1 losing week in the last 5 weeks. And even on the days when it loses, if you take pieces off, if I'm not mistaken, you always had opportunity for decent profit. I mean, last week, I think I was up 60 or 80 points on the opening drive on one of the trades, and it ended up losing. I don't know if you guys remember, I was trying to get out on a piece, and by offering on the ask, and it didn't get hit. Okay, that's good enough. Let's cover 4. 3 out, 1 out. Let's get another 3. There we go. Only covered 3 for 30 points. That's good. Flipped short. Yeah, it's looks like it wants to go lower. This is session lows we just touched. I'm gonna cover 2 more on the opening drive. So we bounce here, maybe. Trade a little bit under the Friday's close and go higher. 170 target.
you break your man. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. So never flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, baby, let it roll. Let's hide this feeling, never bite, I know this bitch, so just sit with me one and all. Okay, mama, we both wait like this, nothing they can.
Okay, opening drive looks like it might just get closed out. 24 seconds left on the 1 minute candle. I think I did too much work on the weekend on the computer because my wrist is hurting from the mouse. I have, what do they call it? Tennis elbow? Except in the wrist. Mouse wrist. Oh yeah, it's true. I'm not even marking that one. I'm supposed to. Let me put that up for myself here. Mark off the fair value gaps. 1.5 is, there we go. Uh, 27 entry short on opening drive. Let's see where it closes. Or does it hang on and go continue short? Yeah, you're mentioning that first fair value gap. Let me put up a different chart. And you said that it has, you can't use this first one. There's always one that forms, at 9:30, I guess, because of that crazy bar that comes in on that first 1 minute. Surprised that people don't use or track that to see if we fill that. Almost like filling the gap. I think I'm going to take a small short here for a 2-lot. I hope it's not a... come on, really? You don't fill me? Now I got to chase. 7 points lower. That wasn't nice. That wasn't nice. But that is another CD on the 1 minute chart, that chocolate colored background that indicates the 2-bar reversal, or in this case a 1-bar reversal, 1 or 2 bars. I don't know. See, I am forming a bias now that we're not gonna get back above the previous day's high at Friday, 22,224. And then I'm gonna end up having way too large of a stop on this trade. So not even gonna look at that. NQ is still quite a bit weaker. Let me add to my trade a little bit. I'm shorting out an average price of 0.5, but I'm not crazy about this trade, so I'm really just trying to improve my my average price. Now I'm short average price of 0.7. Put the first two out at even. And I think I will put my stop just over the swing high, which is a little bit of a too obvious of a stop, eh?
Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating, patterns in my mind now, legacy defining, beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. Guessing with my past now, making this our last now, simple la magia, rising through the sound now, every string I'm playing, gets my heart praying, para mis ancestros while the beat is slaying. Voces del pasado, calling through time, sangre sonido, your story and mine.
Okay, come on. Let's get a little bit of bearish action here. NQ is weak. Let's open up the 5-minute charts a little bit. Said it before, I will say it again. It's quiet. There's not a lot of movement. Well, I still have a short bias on my main chart. The 1-minute chart is neutral. The opening drive is still hanging on to its short. Still didn't get taken out. And that first fair value gap didn't get inverted. Yet. I'm about to pass, fail, and eval. Oh, I get it. Oh, wow, okay. I guess the long one is going to do it for you. Yeah, I read your emails about that, eh? You can't fight the numbers. The numbers are true. 50%. If you're not doing 50% on your own, you're better off to do it that way. You'd be silly not to. I mean, you even opened my eyes to it. Looking for a reason to go short. Problem is, it's going to be right on the previous day's close there at 22,203, which isn't the place that I want to go short. I'm already short too, so. Take a quick peek at the opening drive. It's still hanging in there. Hasn't been taken out yet. I took off a 5 lot. Right now it is 280 realized with 190 unrealized. That's good. Let's see if we can go lower. Oh, there we go. There's my trigger to go short, and it's right on the previous day's close, so I'm not taking it. That's a strong reason not to take a trade. And if I have a strong reason not to take a trade, I'm not going to take the trade. Let it go. There'll be other setups today. Albeit probably in a half an hour from now. Wow, it's been Can you believe it? I think I took 2 trades in the first half an hour. Usually I'm up to what, 20? Right there's an indication of how low the volatility is. 6.88. Aye, we're under 7. Yeah, I think today can be put to better use than trading. It's tinkering a little bit higher, eh? It's not going through. At least I didn't add to my short.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me. Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado. Dancing alone, alone, escenas by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no me siento entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they witness.
I'm watching the ES on the 5-minute chart. The ES can continue showing weakness. I think we can break below the that dash, the black dash close line on the previous day's close. That line on the NQ 5-minute chart. Because NQ was quite a bit weaker today compared to ES. But now we're just trading sideways, as you can easily see. Put it back on the opening drive play. What is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 minutes. 14 minutes of going nowhere. Even more, really. Look at that.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables, despies se mueven a compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booms are stopping still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just thinking low and everyone share the floor now.
8 seconds. Can you get above? Close out the opening drive play at a profit. No, it's hanging on still. Well, every time it's hanging on, it's I'll add to my position, because every time the opening drive hangs on, it goes lower. I wanted to start trading Counter-Strike again on my funded account, but not today. I'll do it tomorrow. "17 seconds. This bar will close. We are above, so it should close out the position. No, it hangs on. Let's go. Dump it. Well, we're not far away from the first number of the ranged 1 minute candles being a 5. It's at 6.47 now. That's 7 o'clock in the evening volatility. Okay, yes, looks like it's trying to come lower. I'll put up the 5 minute chart. Let's go ES, make a new session low. Pull down Nasdaq. Oh my God, that's crazy. That's crazy. You know, on this main system that I trade with the Renkos, there hasn't been one trade yet. Renko system, 10 o'clock. Not one trade yet. That's how quiet it is. Going higher again. There we go. Yeah, take a little piece off because volatility is so low. Let's see if we can break below the... Which one are you close to passing? On the long side or on the short side? Well, we're not going anywhere. You need the 5 minis. That's I'm guessing that's a 50K account because I think it's only 4 minis on the 25, so that's $100 a point. Hey, you need a 30-point move. So far, the entire range of the U.S. session, 42, 92 has been 50 points. $30 points. To be honest with you, I don't even trust or believe any selling I see. Markets are very strong. What's gold at? Still over 2,900, eh? Opening drive coming close to, again, being taken out. 48 seconds before the candle closes. Can we get above the upper line and close above the upper line? Last time I sold one and it proved to be a good decision, so I'll sell another one. Let's see if we get another 7-point dump. With this kind of volatility, 7 points down is a dump. It's a panic sell.
remote breaks the deadlock. Feel it coming through your veins. Echo the remote, don't change.
3 seconds. 1. Oh, closes under again.
We let the music ground.
So it's
Right from there.
kind of drifting higher, but
Music breaks
not closing above, so not getting taken out.
Music breaks down every wall, let's go. From the blocks to the world stage. Esa música breaks every cage. Don't matter where you're coming from. El ritmo makes our hearts beat as one. They can't control what we create. La música decides our fate. Every bullet turns to dust. When the people move as us. East, bailando west, cantando unidos out. Let's go. Let's go. Feel it coming through your veins. El poder del ritmo no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down. When we let the music crown. Light from there, set a ritmo. Hey, music breaks down every wall, you know. Set a ritmo. Music breaks down every wall, let's go. Light from there, let the rhythm speak true. Let the music break through. No hay fronteras.
Well, I'm really not holding much here. I just got a crappy little 1 lot now, still hanging on to my short. I've been wiggling in and out, not really doing anything, treading water. Maintaining my balance at plus 120, but raised my average price of my short from 202 to 215.
Let the music show the way. Moving fast through Spanish streets, strings and drums may keep
I took a look at the 5-minute charts. ES is under VWAP, pressing up against it. That could be a reason for price to start heading lower again. And NQ, we're under that green dash line, which is the previous day's high. And that usually acts as quite strong resistance very often. I like trading over previous day's high or under previous day's low. I find it's a strong catalyst.
Mi pasado calls to me through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present me. Baila, baila, sing, let the music take you far. Feel the strings begin to play as the centuries fade away. Oye, oye, escucha el sonido. Listen to the strings unfold. Se ve feliz contigo. Every story being told.
I don't know. I'm hanging on with the 1 lot, but I'm wondering why. Let's see if we can get a push. Push lower. ES isn't going anywhere fast also. Just trading under VWAP. I don't understand, but no, it's running against me. Where do I get out with this kind of low volatility? 5.86 now on the average range of 1 minute candles. What's the volume? 200,000 probably. Did we even manage to get to 200,000? Yeah, 236,000 at 10 o'clock. Let's go, ES. Start selling in the ES so that it'll push NQ lower. Opening drive is still hanging on. No close above the upper line. We have wicks, but no close above. 9 seconds away. If they can push it above and close it in 4, 3, 2, 1. Doesn't look like it, but you never know in the last second. Nope. Still hanging on to that trade. Well, I'm going to put it on the 3 charts here. We got VWAP. We got VWAP just above, just ahead on the ES. And what do we have just above us on the NQ? The previous day's high. So since I'm trading such small size, that'll give me a reason to add to it. Let's get a little pop up to there. How about I'll add it. 22,222. No, I don't see anything, guys. It was better price action at 6 o'clock in the evening last night. I got, I think, almost like this 100 of this. $80 in the first 1 minute. Okay, so ES is coming down now a little bit. I mean, a point. World. What? Well, I can't say we're going up, and I can't say we're going down. What I can say is we're going nowhere fast. That's what I can say. Nobody's making money. What are you gonna do? Try and scalp here and make a point? 5.18. Driving, yeah. Maybe I should have done 10 minis. I don't know. I don't even think you would do it with 100 minis right now. Well, I added a little to my short here just to keep myself busy. Give me a reason to click the mouse. Why am I going short? Because again, we're under the VWAP on the ES and just under the previous day's high. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. If my father were alive and he were here, he would say, I swear to God, this was his favorite expression. Anybody trading today should have his brain checked. I used to say that all the time. Should have his brain checked. When we were kids. Why did you do that? You should have your brain checked. I don't know. Is there a brain checker? Hi, I'm Dr. Schwartz. I'm an official brain checker. Your dad told me to check your brain. Funny guy. Ah, that's a good word. I like it. When it's a holiday and it's a slow day, it's a sloliday. We're having a sloliday. That's a slow holiday day. Sloliday. Okay, coming up to VWAP right there. Touching it, kissing it on ES. And we're trying to get to the previous day's high. Okay, opening drive, got out.
3, 2, 1.
Done for the day on opening drive. It traded it on Sim 101. I think it shows up, Sim 101. So opening drive made $327 today. Not bad. Let's see what ES can do right here at VWAP. With volatility so slow, I'm gonna guess it's gonna bounce off it. Nobody's running the markets today. Really not much I can do with this. Two buyer reversals. Both of them failed. Yeah. Kind of everything's failing today because the volatility is just way too low. I need continuation with my setups, and if there's no continuation, if there's no volatility, I'm just wasting my time. Well, don't want to take too much of a loss on this trade because it would be stupid with this kind of crazy quiet day. But we are bouncing into the previous day's high, so I'll entertain myself by adding into my position. See if I can improve my price. Come on, dump it a quarter point. Salad. Come on, give me a 4 point. Oh my god, I'm hoping for a 4 point pop. That's crazy. Wow, look at this 1 minute candle. High is 19.25. The low is 7. It's a 2 point range on that 1 minute candle at 10:17. Like another 2 point range on this candle here. That's why I said I can't let things go too far against me. It'd be ridiculously stupid. Ridiculously stupid, given this kind of dead volatility. There we go. I think a 6. Even 6 micros. Even though it's micros, it's just way too much to have in this kind of shitty trading. And if I can get out for 20, 30 bucks, let's say 30 bucks. Let me see if I can get 30 bucks on this. And then, unfortunately, for you listeners, I'm done. I'm not going to lose my time here. Nothing's happening. That's all you can do is lose money in a situation like this. There, that was the big move of the day. 4 points. And all I'm gonna do is be back to my 120. I didn't even make any ground. Not bad though. I mean, I can't complain. I can still be, I mean, I've been chasing a short and raising my average price into it. He is continuing to go nowhere at the VWAP. Open it up. Let's open up the 5 minute on the NQ2.
Another memory. Watch out since the day that I was born. Raise myself on gasoline and thorns. Need to match this energy I bring or get the fuck up out my fucking rain.
Wow. Look at the price on the ES. It's not even changing. 61.39.50. Just sitting there like the markets are closed. Hey, quarter point change on ES. $3.8. Yeah. ES isn't going over VWAP. NQ's trying to get over the previous day's high. Where was the previous day's high on ES? Is it even on the chart? No, I don't have it marked. I should. I should put it on. I will put it on. Prior day, open, high, low. Perfect. Apply. Okay, we're quite a ways from the prior day high on the ES. Making decisions on my NQ trade based on what the ES is doing. That's a horrible strategy in my opinion. What am I thinking? I'm thinking let's see if we can run for VWAP on the NQ. There we go. Let's go. Let's make a run for VWAP. 6 points away. Can we get there in 2 minutes? My 15-second chart, there is no bias. We have no background color coded in, so it's not green, it's not chocolate, it means it's neutral. Even though we're in a pretty strong uptrend on the 15-second chart. I gotta sneeze. Yes, gotten over the VWAP. Where is VWAP? Do I have it? 35, let's say. A little under 36. But on the 15-second chart, maybe the markets will look a little more exciting. It'll look like they're actually moving. Yeah, that's a trick. What's the spread? The spread is still 50 cents, eh? No kidding. Even in this crazy volatility, lack of volatility, they keep the spread at 50 cents in NQ. Figured they would lower it to a quarter. Come on, VWAP's not that far. We can get there. Doesn't someone want to buy 5 contracts or something?
Used to see you at the club, looking in. Every weekend, same routine. You was dancing with your crew, I was with mine. Silent battles, drawn lines. Ain't nobody crossed that floor. Till tonight when you said no more.
Made it to the what? Made it to the CPU.
When you step my way, got me feeling like prey. But baby, tonight we both gonna play. Let the music sway. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow.
Let's go. Come on, VWAP isn't that far. 4 points away. Dude, stop going up 1 point and down 1 point and up 2 points and down 1.5 points. At least I won't feel like I completely wasted my day. Wow, putting my profit target 3 points away, and it's like a mile in this. There we go. There we go. 130. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go work. I got other things to do. Maybe I can use the time to create a video. I wanted to do one on the weekend, but I didn't get a chance to it. I had a lot of back testing that I did though, actually, which was good. And I will put my automated strategy to run again tonight. And I will be back tomorrow at 9:15. Yeah, passed. Way to go, Woodchip. Let's give a hand for what do you mean no? You just said no. Stay! Stay! Let me show you something. Watch what? There's nothing to watch. This is worse than watching paint dry. Tell me what number you see in the bottom right corner. Yeah, right. What number is in the bottom right corner over there? 3.55. That's not even worth watching at 7 o'clock at night. Forget during regular trading hours. And we're only getting closer to market close as each minute passes. No, I got work to do. There's no point in staying. I'm just losing my time. I can put it to a much more effective use than sticking around here and just watching price go nowhere. Sit for a while there. It looked like ES was closed. The price wasn't changing for like a minute and a half. Yeah, I'll be back. I appreciate your enthusiasm, but I do have work to do, and this is a good opportunity to get it done instead of me staying up late. So I will be back, like I said, tomorrow at 9:15, and I will run the algos again tonight. We'll see how they do. They had a good night last night. I was pretty impressed. I think both of them were green. I'm not sure. I don't remember anymore. I'd have to check the stream, but Dexy was over $3,000. And I have it set to go for 2 lots. So it does add to its trades. But it starts off with 2 lots. And yeah, that was a good day for Dexy. I think so far Dexy, I've been running my strats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And Dexy's profits was in the thousands for 4 of those days. And one day it lost, I think 5,000 or something. I deleted that stream. It was disappointing to see. But yeah, overall it's way ahead. I think it had $2,000, $3,000 days, a $6,000 day, and a $4,000 day. So that's 10, 16,000. So, you know, if you lower it to micros, that would be 1,600 on the gross profits, and it would be, let's say, minus 500 on the gross loss, so net 1,100 in a week. Trading 2 micros, that's pretty impressive. No? Does anybody disagree with that? What's that MFFU account? Yeah, it's an account that I have for a long time, and you know what I do? I make a little money, make a little money, make a little money, make a little money, and then I lose a lot of money on it. And I'm trying not to do that. I want to pass this damn account. Did you see the amount on, what do you mean the amount? Oh, the SMT, sorry. I'm looking from far with my glasses. The S looked like an A. The amount, the SMT on. Yeah, for that I look at the at these charts here, the 5-minute. Let's make them look the same. So the Asian session is the gray box, and like I said, NQ was relatively weaker today, the relatively weaker instrument yet, and it swept the Asian session lows, and ES didn't. Yeah, I was watching that. ES took the London highs. I don't have that. Not even close. Am I reading right? ES took the London high and NQ has not. I don't. Oh yes, it did. You're right. It was being hidden by the piece there. You're right. You're right. You're right. London highs. London is the blue box, and it was taken. Funny, eh? But again, just goes with the fact that NQ is the weaker index today. Okay, guys. I'm not sure if that was fun. At least I added a tiny little bit to my MFFU account. Didn't trade any of my other accounts. But you know what? I'm going to go pay. I keep forgetting. I've had that account there. You see also above MFFU. Apex. Bring it up on the charts here. Yeah, that Apex account, that's a past account. It's at 159,000, so I gotta go pay for it and turn it into a PA. Only 2 hours and 20 minutes left. Yeah, that's a lot of work I can get done in 2 hours and 20 minutes, wouldn't you? I can hopefully knock out a video. I don't know, it's discouraging to create a video. There are so many tasks involved. You know, for the ones with all those flashy effects. Lining up the audio with the video. It's a little bit discouraging. Keyword research, title research, creating the thumbnail,
creating the script, the outline. Wow, so much work. So 4 people can go and view it for 20 seconds and look away in the beginning. I'm way behind on technology now. Well, I'm learning. But there are other people who do just, you know, they just talk in front of the camera and show their charts. And I think I'm going to go that route in the beginning. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I'm going to go eat something. You want to know what I'm going to eat? Cottage cheese. Anybody likes cottage cheese? I like it. Everyone makes fun of me here when I eat it. And just stuck with that, with the cottage cheese. What's happening? There's a mouse moving on my screen. It's okay. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, what happened? It's like the music stopped. That's weird. I don't understand what just happened. My audio just died. Okay, anyways, I'll figure it out and hopefully I'll have it working tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I'm crazy, let's your